All right, in this video, we'll take a look at how to have a path parameter that you can use to get to pass variables via the URL. So I'm just going to start with the one that I created last time. So I'll fork it and I'll change the name. And now let's say that we're going to have an API that will manage cryptocurrencies. So perhaps I would have another function here that's going to be decorated with get again, and it's going to be called coin. And then I want to have a parameter for the ID of the coin to retrieve a price of. So I'll say coin ID in between curly braces. Now the function itself will expect to have coin ID sent to it. So whatever goes in here, this coin ID, will also go into the function. Now I can simply say return message and price of the coin ID. All right, go to the shell. Again, say unicorn, main app, reload, listen on all IPs, port 5000. Okay, copy the URL and go to the documentation. Here's the new endpoint. Click try it out. Notice that coin ID is required, and it's not going to let me execute this unless I have a coin ID. So I'll say something like Bitcoin, execute, and then down here the message will be price of Bitcoin. Let's see another way to run this. I'm going to go back over here to my packages, and I'm going to search for one called HTTP IE. This is a command line application that you can use to make HTTP requests. I'll open up a new shell. I'll say HTTP, that's the command itself, and I'll say HTTP get, and then I will paste this URL, coin/Bitcoin, and if I expand this a little bit, be able to see that it did indeed come back with a 200 status code, which is okay. The content type was application.json, and then there's the JSON that we saw earlier. I do the exact same thing again, except this time just coin without the ID. It's going to come back with a 404 because the coin route requires a coin ID. Coin by itself, it does not exist.